Okay, so we click F1, we get the menu bar, we can choose gameplay. For now we have the camera so we can see all the terrains around. I push the terrain to be quite big. I made it in 3D Max because I'm old and I cannot catch up with the Blender how to make stuff there. Too complicated, I'm too old. And so here we have a camera and we can activate for gameplay other characters. We can activate all of them at once. So turning off camera, for example, and turning off on camera on this one, and it's active. So I can play him with the controller. So this is a jogging cycle, jumping jogs. I made it to slow down animation because it was too fast for me, and at the end it's gonna be a turn-based. What we see on the left, it is a collision with terrain that is on given angle against gravity. So if the angle is too high, he's about to switch mode to walking or idle, but not running on it. And it's also showing if it is on left or on the right. For now the angle is set to 60 degrees because my kid likes to play it. Usually for human it is 30 degrees. So let's check how it works. Oh, there is a good example. This one. Right, we have this on right. Now we move a step. This direction, this direction. No, it was somewhere else. So it is about to detect the side from which we are approaching the terrain. Oh, here is forward. It is forward, so in such a case there will be a switch of animation cycle to climbing. Now it's gonna be on the left, and that way it should be on our back. Jump, jump a bit. He cannot jump because he is in collision with wall. So is detecting the sides of a triangle he step on. It is not a capsule animation, so all the animations are physical. If he touches the ground with a feet, he's moving forward. Forward kinematic based animation in this case, so I don't have to do translations or stuff. It's completely based of animation. He unhooring the foot, and if foot is unhoored, he proceed with animation. If he unhook next feet, so he's moving forward that way. So main object is moved to unhook. Same way I can unhook him to a hand or something for climbing. For current use, I have a manipulation with stick. Let's go to the pad menu. Obviously, I can switch controls from pads to any keyboard or something. Okay, so here we have mostly view. If we go forward and press jump, we are jumping. If we push jump, we jump in place. All animations are made and physics. So gravity is as usual, and the jumping is based on physical force. So he get acceleration up that is fighting gravity. It is why he's jumping so low, because humans can lift up body mass center just around 40 centimeters when jumping, and some athletes can do this for 60 centimeters. If they jump any higher, it is because they shifting center of mass, and I base the animation for now on some realistic values. So it is why jumping time is very short. Same way when walking up. Now he's jogging up. We can turn on jumping in jog, same way as we jumping on the ground. Animation is slowed down on purpose. I'm clumsy. And so we fall. Acceleration when fall is exactly as it should be. So gravity is stacking up. We're going faster and faster. There is some drag added, but it's not doing much, like on Earth. And there is a max speed because otherwise he will be teleporting very fast after falling half a kilometer. So yeah, he's colliding with terrain. I still have some issue, but mostly because of animation. Then I will describe how it works in details. We start with something like controls.